to the next adventure. We've been told by our Airbnb host about a really cool location 1 hour south. Gonna put it on the map for you right now. And basically most people go to the island of Bohol, which is here, for this view. But he said if you haven't got time and you don't want to go to Bohol, then go 1 hour south and look at this view, and you will not need to go to this other island because it's supposed to be amazing.
Yeah, he even said like this secret location that we're taking you right now might even be that he said it was better than the Chocolate Hills.
Let's go and test it out. We got a bit of a bigger bike, which I'm happy about. 4 gears, and the gears go up, not like 1 down, 4 up. They all go up, 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 up. So, babe, ready to hop on?
Graham's got a full motorbike license and it's only a 125, so perfectly safe. Helmets, let's go.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go.
Nix.
Babe.
Okay, you kept gassing, so the chain went, do you know what I mean?
No, you shit. Door. I was trying to gain balance, and then I have to keep the gears a bit high to keep the power going. And I had to change down a gear. And on these shoes, it's not the best.
Babe, it's crazy as it is, so it's fine.
Right, we're gonna go back. Okay, that didn't go according to plan. So we've been told about this view site, but we weren't told that it's on a bloody dirt track with loads of massive humps, and Theodora made me fall off.
Theodora made me fall off? What's that supposed to mean?
It's a joke! Are you rolling?
Yeah, obviously.
Good. I'm going to show you mum and dad this.
Yeah, I'm going to show you that. See what you like.
Right, this is going to be fun.
Maybe there's another route. Hang on. Okay, that's fine, probably. Oh, we really scratched it.
That's fine, babe. As long as we're okay. Okay, we had a big argument, but it's all made up, haven't we? Made up? Okay, we haven't quite made up. We're still shouting at each other. However, hopefully you can hear me. However, we're now on the correct road, and there is tarmac. There's no big holes. Everyone happy? Let's go. Just stopped off because we're getting totally sunburned, so my assistant is rubbing in sun lotion for me.
It's something J-Lo would do, babe.
It's something J-Lo would do, exactly. Also, we're just filled up. We good?
No shit.
Thanks, Mum. bit hard work, so we're gonna stop off for an ice cream with the locals. What flavour? The flavour?
Flavor Obi.
Obi.
Yeah.
Okay. No more? Ah,
Finished.
ice cream's finished. Hi.
High five, high five.
So we're almost at the top. We finally found the correct road. We've made up. We're almost at the top of Cebu. But on the way, it's been the most amazing journey because we've been through all these villages and past schools and people have been waving. But one thing that's really interesting is that so many gorgeous vegetables are grown here and harvested. So you see people with the baskets, like they put it on their forehead, like here. Like this bit they've got on their forehead, and then they go up into the mountains to harvest all this fresh produce. It's so cool to see. We even saw that like a load of onions, and they plant them right in between the rocks, and I said to Graham, like, the vegetables must be super nutritious here, so we're definitely gonna get some here.
We've made it, we're finally here. Only problem is there's a 1.2 kilometer walk to the top, but then we are at the top of Cebu, like cannot get any more topper. And then I'm going to get the drone up, so we're going to be even higher. Had to get myself a bag of rice and a bit of soy sauce because I'm knackered. I would advise possibly not going on a motorbike with it. If you've got a scooter and you want to do it, definitely don't do it. I would advise going with a car. It'd be a lot easier. Anyway, I'm gonna save my rice for the top of the hill. Let's go.
There's the fire, take me higher, leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. We gon' break up, then we make up, act like we're gonna be friends. There's the fire, take me.
Almost there, babe. We made it to the top. Leave us a comment in the box if you think that this view is just not even real right now. It is amazing.
It's literally unbelievable. Like the sea, the mountains, the colours. It's
crazy.
It is insane. I'm glad we did it in the end. I mean, whew.
Amazing. I would highly advise not coming by bike.
Yeah, you said that already.
I said that already because I'm knackered, but definitely make a trip this way, guys, because it is epic.
Yes.
I'm gonna go and eat my rice.
So I thought Kawasan Falls was amazing, but check this out. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like if you enjoyed that video and hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. I have a feeling that these Philippine series are just gonna be natural beauty after natural beauty, because how amazing has today been, right? Anyway, we'll see you in the next video and we're gonna do some more amazing stuff. See you there.